Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So before we start, if you could like and subscribe, that would be great. But yeah, we just thought we'd quickly show you what we got in B&M on. So that's a bit more Christmassy, isn't it, than autumny? Yeah, they're Christmas. Christmas.
That'd be nice in the spare room.
It's definitely really...
Oh, I like the bottom one.
Yeah, I know they've got some really good bits. Why not? I can't remember. Yeah. Are there any good... Oh, there's quite a few good alcohol gift sets. Ah, look, it's a gonk cake stand.
Look, to hold the napkins.
Oh,
Little place names.
No, it's place names. Oh my gosh, I like that mug. Yeah, I know, the grey one.
Do you want them?
No, we can't buy Christmas stuff yet. No, it's too early.
Little tea bag holder.
I know, but I don't use tea bags. Like, we don't make tea, do we? So. Or we can get our matching Christmas PJs. What's that? Oh, that's really soft. I like the cushions. Have you seen the doormat?
Oh, do you want it?
Yeah, I want that. £7.
Do we have one like that?
I can't remember. But I want it.
Doormats.
Probably. You know, it's Christmas when all these little tubs come out.
That'd be good for nails.
For who? No.
Nutella and bread.
Yeah. That's quite cute, isn't it?
Plastic, but... Marshmallow tips, what else have they got? What's in these? Tatty Teddy marshmallows.
Oh. All the... all the chocolate goodness. Oh, advent calendars. Oh, hot water bottles. That was another thing I was going to buy. I was going to buy hot water bottles because it's going to be cold in the winter.
Yeah.
Christmas stuff. That's a nice wreath, isn't it? We've already got one like that. We definitely got one of those last year, didn't we? Oh, we have got a standing
Long
one.
leg.
I feel like we don't want to buy any Christmas stuff because we do have a lot of Christmas stuff, don't we? The gift sets. Are there any funny games?
Poop
Poop. Oh, shot roulette. I feel like hot water bottle sales and snug hoodie sales are going to go up with the heating bills. I can't believe there's another aisle of like gift sets. They've got a lot of Christmas gifts, haven't they, this year? Yeah, but it's good. Lots to get from here. If we had...
Daddy.
I know, if we had a baby we'd get those. They're very cute. Maybe in a few years. Yeah, just thought we'd quickly show you some bits. Not really, we didn't really get anything autumny, unfortunately. But they did have lots of nice stuff, didn't they?
We do have something for Christmas.
We do have, one Christmas thing, which we weren't supposed to buy, but oh well. Yeah, but they've got loads of lovely home bits, haven't they? And autumny bits.
Yeah, really nice to be fair. It's we walk around and think a lot of the stuff would fit our aesthetic quite well.
Yeah,
but
it would do. But we're trying to save for the wedding.
Yeah, with the wedding and the whole government money.
Government money. You mean cost of living?
Yeah, cost of living.
Yeah, so trying to be a bit good. So yeah, okay, so there's 3 really boring things. So
Boring.
Flash mop.
Woo!
So yeah, we use that for our kitchen and bathrooms, and
Really good for hard surfaces.
yeah, it's really good. You just have the mop, put the solution in, pop a pad on the bottom, and then spray, and it's done. Vical for showers. We haven't had any for ages, so we can do a proper clean of that the weekend. That's exciting. The Febreze Spray, which is great on sofas and everything to get
Soft
rid of
furnishings, isn't it?
yeah, sofas, beds. Oh, I think you can use it on clothes.
Yeah, we use it a lot on our what's it called? Settee and the poof and that sort of thing, and it really brings out like a nice.
It just smells.
Yeah, it smells really good. I
feel like
recommend
it
it.
gets rid of like dust.
Gets rid of your smell.
And then I've been seeing a lot on Instagram and other places about Mrs. Hinch has released a new scent with like Febreze Flash, all that stuff.
Don't know what them are. I don't know.
I think it's P&G. It
Okay.
owns like all of them.
Okay.
Because it does all the fairy washing and
Okay.
the fairy washing up liquid.
Everybody knows what you mean.
Yeah. And then Stacey Solomon has also released one with Airwick. So we've got a bit from both of those, just because I love eucalyptus, and Mrs. Hinch's is frosted eucalyptus, and we use these quite all the time.
Yeah, we do
anyway, don't we? And then Stacey Solomon's is winter walks. Hang on, with notes of fresh pine, which again, I love wintry smells, don't you?
I just realised this has got a smell tester thing on it. That's really good.
That's good. So yeah, we'll just have to spray a bit and then wipe it.
This is where our professionalism doesn't really come into place.
It is nice.
Here's the cloth I made earlier.
Okay, you haven't smelt it yet. Don't get your nose on it.
Oh, that's nice.
It is nice, isn't it? Yes, do that and then.
That's good.
Oh, the joys of being an adult. That's
Adult
really
life.
nice. And then we can put that in a toilet somewhere.
Yeah.
Then this, I don't really know how we're gonna smell this. Does that plug in? Do you want to open it?
No, it's just one of those ones where.
You open it. I mean, we can smell this through the candle.
Yeah, we'll do that one first, and we'll do a bit of a jump cut.
Yeah. That's nice.
That's nice. It smells a bit like spiced apple.
Yeah, no, I can't. I was trying to. I recognise the smell, but maybe it's the pine in it. That's what I recognise.
Right.
But yeah, well, that'll smell the same.
Yeah, it's going to smell exactly the same. It's a plug-in air fragrance maker.
Yeah, I don't know. Where do you think I should put that?
Diffuser. It says it's a scented oil fragrance diffuser.
Yeah.
I'm thinking maybe in the hallway.
Downstairs.
That'd be nice.
100 days.
100 days? That'll put us well past Christmas.
Yeah, it would have,
Yeah, see? Quick
man.
I didn't actually think that through. And I thought Amy was going to have it.
Yeah. Right, do you want to show those two bits? And then we'll leave the most exciting bit till the end.
You also got the Christmas bit as well.
Yes.
Do you have one?
Yeah, so we got 2 little dress-up outfits for my goddaughter. So we've got an Elsa.
It won't fit me.
And a Snow White. Oh, she loves dressing up at the moment. And we saw these, and they were $8.99 each, which is so much cheaper than anywhere else. Because on Amazon they're like nearly £20 just for one outfit, and in other, I looked at, I think it was Early Learning Centre, it's £35. for like, you might have had an extra wand or something, but they just lose those anyway.
Well, and as a kid.
And you grow out of them, so yeah.
Yeah, you grow out of them, and it's quite easy to like, their imagination will take over. I mean, she's not at that age.
For £8.99, that's a bargain. That's her birthday present, because that's in November.
Yeah, should we do our treats?
Yeah, this is the most exciting
And then
bit.
a mat thing last?
Oh, let's do the shop.
Okay, I've just sort of thought what we've
The
got.
treats first. Yeah. Oh!
You can have two, I can have two. There we go.
Okay.
You can talk about yours first.
These, we love these. Malteser biscuits. Oh, they're so good. But aren't you impressed? We've had these in the house since...
I forgot about them.
I haven't, because I've seen them every day when I've opened the cupboard, because you did put these away. And we haven't eaten them, and they've been in the house nearly a week.
Be a shame if we had some tonight.
No. Actually, I want to try one of those. We'll try one of those for the video, because I've never tried those before.
And
but yeah, that is impressive for us.
That's impressive for us. We do like a bit of chocolate.
Yeah, and we were really bad. We were eating it like a bag every night, weren't we? So we're on a bit of a health kick. Well, I am.
Then I am as well.
I am. Yeah.
And then one of our personal favourites to come out of lockdown. Well, being
lockdown.
Yeah, because it came in during lockdown, didn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's not because of lockdown though.
No, but alright. But caramel.
Oh, so good.
Crack. It's crack for chocoholics.
It's so good. So we've had that loads before. It is a bit expensive. It's like £3 for the block, but
it's quite sickly, so you'd only want like two. Well, it's four in a line, and those four might be a bit of a push, won't it? I mean, I could eat all of it.
you could eat the whole
But
lot.
I know I'm a big white chocolate fan.
Oh, but yeah, so good. If you haven't tried it, try it.
And then
now they're doing lots of variations of caramel, which
A
we haven't
marble
tried any of them, have we? So
hazelnut and caramel.
and there were like two others, but we just picked one because they were like £3 each. So we're like,
Yeah.
we're not getting those. So
And
yeah,
then the one which we're probably both
We're gonna
most
try
looking forward
one.
to.
Ooh, 12 bites with caramel. I'm sure I saw this on someone else's YouTube when they went to B&M. So I was like, oh, I want to try those. Should we try one now?
Yeah, go on. Should we try a little bit of this as well?
No, this one. This one.
Luckily, she's been working out.
I know. Okay.
Dink it? Oh.
Oh. Oh god, that's good. I've just got the good taste. That is good.
I'm not a huge fan of normal 12s.
I quite like normal 12s. Oh my god, I could just sit here and eat that whole bag.
They actually, I mean, it's in like a weird way. They taste as if they wouldn't be very calorific, as in like the texture of them.
Oh, they would be.
No.
Oh.
110% recommend those.
Yeah.
Stock up on them.
Although, if you're trying to be healthy, don't, because I could. You'd eat the whole bag. How many grams in a bag?
110.
Oh, let's have one more. See, I knew this was going to happen. One more, and then let's put them away.
With Amy working from home, I'm going to have to hide these because they'll be gone.
Before he gets home and he'll be like, where'd they go? Right, about it, I'm being good. They're good. No. Come on, we need to learn to restrain.
And then,
oh yeah,
the last thing, which, well, you probably just had a bit of a spoiler there, but following our theme of our house, a gonk doormat.
It's only £7.
And it's actually all pretty good quality.
Yeah, it looks really like thick.
I mean, you know it's good quality when it hurts your hands.
Yeah.
I think one of the bits just fallen on my leg. Ow.
You've got loads on you.
Oh no. But how cute's that?
Oh, I saw that and I was like...
Holly Jolly Christmas.
Holly Jolly Christmas.
Yeah.
I just saw the gonks and was like, yeah.
She's like, oh, we can't get it. I'm like, well, I'm just getting it now because the last time we went to B&M last year, Like there's so much stuff which we liked, and Amy was like,
Didn't
"No,
get
we'll wait close to the time. We'll wait
It
close to the
sells
time.
out.
It'll go up in the loft and add the extra 8 boxes, 9 boxes for Christmas
What's
stuff."
that, Matt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you've got all that to look forward to in the future is our festive decorations, which we seem to add more and more every year. It's the same with the autumn decorations.
Yeah.
But no, thank you very much for watching, guys.
Short and sweet.
Very short and sweet.
And last time I said I was going to get my wedding dress the next day.
She's got it. And she keeps going on about it. And she's like, "Oh, you're not excited?" I'm like, "Well, I don't know what it looks like."
Oh, it's just...
All I know is that she's going to look beautiful, and whatever she's chosen will be perfect. And I'm really looking forward to it. I just need to arrange
You
my
haven't said
suit.
anything that nice to me about it.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's quite
That's
obvious.
the nicest thing.
It's quite obvious.
Oh. But yeah, that was exciting. I didn't expect to get it. And I was so excited.
Well, it says
and
a
it's
lot.
just so hard that you, like, obviously it's 18 months away. So.
And I'm the person she literally tells everything to. So it's like, it's like when I got her engagement ring. Like, she was like, "How did you hide it?" I was like, I couldn't. Like, there's other little things where...
You did though, because I didn't have any idea.
Perfect. Just hide it in your boxes. If there's any blokes watching who are trying to hide it in your boxer drawer.
Well, no, because other people's girlfriends might put their clothes away, whereas I make you put your own clothes away.
Put it in a drawer where the women wouldn't like to touch.
But yeah.
On that note, yeah, hope you have a lovely rest of the morning, evening, night, and see you very soon. Bye.